case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit heard a 1993 case, McElmurry v. Arkansas Power and Light Co., related to the shop-right principle, which allows an employer to use an invention created with their resources without infringing on the patent. White Rivers Technology, WRT, sued Arkansas Power and Light Company, AP, and claiming patent infringement for hiring a third party to install their level detector at the Independence Steam Electric Station. The district court ruled in AP and L's favor, stating they obtained shop rights and therefore didn't infringe on WRT's patent. WRT appealed, but the Federal Circuit upheld the district court's decision, ruling that AP and L had acquired a shop right for WRT's patented level detector, allowing them to use it without infringement. The court found that WRT failed to present substantial evidence and thus accepted AP and L's evidence regarding shop rights.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.